just drove. I just drove 5 hours. Dog tired.
Bye, bug eye.
Actually, I slept the whole time. First time ever. Must not have been feeling good. Savvy and I do not feel good this morning. But yeah, we're on the way to the airport, and we'll
Going
be home. We'll be home. Well, not home, but we'll be in Florida shortly, Lord willing.
It's in 8 days. 4 states in 8 days.
And I went to 5. I went to Michigan.
You didn't go to Michigan.
They didn't go to Michigan. I got pictures of it. Proof. So, 5 states for me, 8 states for them because they decided to sleep and not get out.
8 states for us.
Or whatever. I'm stuck in traffic. Trying to think here. Lightly used vehicle across 4 states. Returned it, and this is what they wanted.
Florida.
Man down. That's a wrap.